I'm a Trane Ductless Technical Specialist, also known as a DTS. I work with contractors and facility managers to ensure seamless Trane Mitsubishi Electric VRF projects. And I'm not alone. Trane has DTSs across the country. That means you have a Trane expert dedicated to making sure your job goes off without a hitch. We're here to make sure you get the right amount of support before, during, and after installation. We help provide the training you need, whether it's in the classroom or online. We work exclusively with VRF systems and are committed to making sure you have the knowledge to get the job done correctly. And we'll be there, literally there, on site, to offer technical support, answer questions, whatever it takes to get you through the install to a successful startup. We've helped customers across the country in all kinds of environments, buildings, and situations. And once your Trane Mitsubishi Electric VRF system is up and running, we will be your go-to contact for technical support.
Please continue to hold.
No calling a toll-free number and waiting on hold for someone to transfer you to someone else. You get a real connection to a real person with real VRF expertise. Hi, can I help you? Your Trane DTS. One more way we help you go beyond. To meet with your Ductless Technical Specialist, contact your local Trane office today.